Hello everyone, we are here at the Ambarella CES booth. At the booth here we have an industrial robotics demo. We can see a lot of sensors connected in the environment. One is a visible sensor that is looking at the entire industrial floor. And right over there we have a depth sensor which is acting as a virtual fence. And our star of the show here is a Rover, which is based out of Ambarella CV72 ERCP kit that is made by Econ Systems. So let us dive into the demo and see what it can do. So here we have the Rover and all the sensors that are integrated and connected through an Ambarella N1 that is sitting right over here. And let me show you what it can do. So it enables human level interaction with the industry floor, and as I type in the Rover to find a vase, so I have asked it to find a vase, and you can see the Rover already has started moving and it is finding a way to search for a vase in the environment. So as you can see, it has already reached the vase and it can show it in the FOV. So let us ask it to find something else. So maybe I'll ask it to find a bottle. So as you can see, the Rover has started moving, and right there in the display you can see several objects being detected. That is enabled through the Yoloworld model that is running inside the CV72 CV Flow engine, and it has started moving, and the navigation path planning that you can see on the other display over there, it is also running inside the CV72, and now you can see that it has reached the bottle as well. So you can also ask it to go to a predefined location in the map. Now I have asked it to go to the loading zone right over there, and as it starts moving I can also show you the virtual fencing. So you can see when I move my hand inside, and the virtual fence turns red. So seamlessly the Rover also stops, and as I remove my hand you can see the Rover starts moving again. So all these type of interaction between the other sensors and the Rover is enabled through the N1, and the navigation dynamically happens through the CV72 itself. So let's do something else. So I can also, as I said, interact with the Rover and just ask it what it sees from the camera. So as I type in and enter, you can see there is an image that is captured from the camera, and the Yoloworld model's metadata and the image is sent across to the N1, and the N1 turns it to a human readable prompt, and as you can see it clearly explains what it does see in the FOV of the camera. You can see that it sees displays a pattern wall, which is actually what it sees in the FOV. Now let us look into the other camera that is mounted on the top, and it is just a surveillance camera that is powered by CV75S, and as you can see the prompt over there, I am asking it to describe what it sees through the rocket camera, and you can see it already is streaming over the Ethernet, and it is running a YOLO model with some inferencing and bounding boxes. And as a person interacts in the industrial floor, and it actually runs a large language vision model, so it can describe an entire video. So you can see already it had started giving out the description of the video that it has seen over the last 20 seconds. So that's about what we have this time around for the robotics demo. I guess you would have seen how CV series of platforms enables each and every sensor, the Rover in the demo, and everything is orchestrated through N1. Thank you. For more information for ERCP, contact our Econ Systems website.